All right, now I just want to point out some projects that are not hands-on Python here. Up here is the security risks. And for these, you just practice understanding these concepts. So let me bring this up. All right. So for example, you're going to refer to another document to answer these. So this one here is the machine learning top 10, and you've got it down here, and you can read about it to understand these risks, and then answer these questions just to see if you've got them. So Microsoft's public chatbot Tay learned to say rude things from its users. So I'm inclined to think that's data poisoning. It learned from bad data. It learned bad habits. All right, anyway, and when you get enough of these correct in a row, you get a flag that you can put in. So it's just practicing concepts where you read things. And all three of these are like that. This one is the OWASP Machine Learning Security Top 10. And this one here is the top 10 for large language model applications. So here a user tells an LLM they're writing a novel and tricks it into violating their security policy. I remember somebody was doing that during the prompt injection. And so that's prompt injection, where you ask it a question in a way that causes it to violate its security policy, and so on. So there's one here where you practice the top 10 risks. And then there's another one based on a document about the insecurity of, oh, not that, pardon me, I'll talk about that too, but I wanted to talk about this one here, Microsoft Copilot insecurity. There's a web page talking about these risks here from a third-party company that wants to sell you a product to ameliorate these risks, but I thought it was quite an informative article, and that's what I based a lot of those slides on. And so there are things, which one of these features can enforce least privilege and permissions, I'm thinking. Yeah, all right, anyway. So there's, again, a list of Copilot security issues that you can read about and understand and repeat here. So that's something you might look at if you're not in the mood for more hands-on Python. And by the way, I sent this to you beforehand, but I found not everybody was getting the email. Google has training videos and badges you can earn. So this, again, is a place you learn concepts. They're not hands-on, but they teach you about the different kinds of machine learning models and the basic concepts involved. And it's really very nice. I've had a lot of students, I've had some of them even spend a lot of time doing this and don't even care about the hands-on Python projects. They'd much rather do these videos. So those are some more projects you should check out if you're interested in conceptual learning, like the kind you might get from reading a textbook rather than the hands-on stuff.